there! In today's video, I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your TP-Link C325WB. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to find this lid at the bottom part of your camera. It will be located right here. It's fixed on 2 screws. You would need to take them out to remove the lid. Here is it, how they look. And now here at this part, we can see this little white line with a text which is saying reset. This is our reset button, and to reset this camera, we would need to hold this button with our nail for about 10 seconds until you'll hear a voice message which says that the reset was successful. So let's do it. I'll take my nail and hold this little white button until I'll hear a little click. That means that we have pressed the button, and now let's hold it for about 10 seconds.
Reset successful.
Now we can release our finger and
Please
stop
wait.
holding it. You have heard that the reset is successful, the camera is rebooting, please wait. After this, you would be able to set up your camera again, but you would need to do it from beginning because it will be deleted from the tab application. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.